Example, this one is bridge. This
Okay.
one is bridge. You
Okay.
coming on the bridge
Yes.
and stop,
Yes.
handbrake,
Yeah.
parking.
Parking.
Yeah, stop.
That's true.
Then handbrake down. This gear on D drive. Put the brake on your leg. Then acceleration balance. Stop. Not going, not reverse, not front side going.
Okay.
Only balance you stop.
Okay.
Then if you balance 2 minutes stop, finish. Parking in handbrake colors your pass.
Okay. Pass.
Yeah. Another reverse balance. You down on the bridge, stop the car parking, handbrake. Put your leg. Then brake, handbrake down, reverse, then acceleration balance. Not reverse going car balance. Colors. This is very easy.
This on mirror.
Mirror, yeah.
Actually, no need.
Mirror. One time if you're looking, no problem. Colors.
No problem. And shouldering.
Because that is not going seat up. Only balance. No
Only
problem.
balance.
No problem, yeah.
Okay. Actually, examiner is follow shouldering.
Shouldering, yeah. Shouldering the backside garage working. Garage time.
Yeah.
Shoulder. Garage time, shoulder, this one. Bridge, no problem.
There's no problem.
Bridge only this one, and this one you're looking colors.
And reverse time.
Reverse, yeah. Reverse first this one you're looking. Huh?
This mirror.
Backside is clear or not clear, you're looking this one first.
Okay.
Then this right and the left. After that, do it colors.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, brother.
Assalamu alaikum.